Here's another pronunciation practice to improve how well you sound in Spanish. These tips you've heard on my page before, but let's practice now to see if you made progress. Look at the statement. We're going to sound better when we speak it. Isolated, we have mi hijo no quiere estudiar en la escuela. Va a hacerlo en casa a las 7. Let's upgrade and sound more smooth. First, let's take any word that begins with the vowel and the next word begins with that same vowel, and we're going to merge the sound. As an example here, mi hijo. We're going to merge that. We also have quiere estudiar. There. We also have va a hacer. This long a. See it? So say it with me. Mijo. Mijo. Quiere estudiar. Quiere estudiar. Va a hacerlo. Va a hacerlo. We're also going to merge words that end in consonants, and the next word begins with that same consonant. So here at this end, las 7, that S can just merge together. Let's try it. Las 7. Las 7. So let's try it together. Pause before I go. Mi hijo no quiere estudiar en la escuela. Mi hijo no quiere estudiar en la escuela. Va a hacerlo en casa a las 7. Va a hacerlo en casa a las 7. Did you improve? And that's why I teach Spanish.